Everyone's saying social media algorithms are killing organic reach, but that's just a myth. Let's break it down. Yes, algorithms on platforms like Facebook and Instagram have changed, but that doesn't mean organic reach is dead. It just means we need to adapt. The key is creating engaging content that resonates with your audience. Social media platforms still prioritize content that people engage with. So, if your posts are entertaining, valuable, and relevant, people will like, comment, and share them, which boosts your organic reach. Consistency is another secret. The more regularly you post valuable content, the more likely you are to show up on your audience's feeds. Social media algorithms might have changed, but they still love content that people want to see. So, no need to panic. Organic reach is still very much alive as long as you focus on quality and consistency. Keep engaging with your audience and you'll see results.